Good morning, everybody. We are here. It's a little cold outside today. It's a little cloudy outside today. We got 36 degrees and cloudy right now. Who do we have first in the chat today? We've got Dark Bro first in the chat. Chris is second. What's going on, Chris? Dark Bro, Nick F, Dark Bro, Frank. We got Chris, Dark Bro, Lamade, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Matthew, Arthur. We got Missing Link and Arthur. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Man, I got to shave, dude. Look, this is like... I gotta shave and cut my hair too. This is getting wild in here, man. We got the bro beast coming out right now. Let's take a look at the market. We've got AMC in the top left, sitting at $5.86 right now, down 1.29%, touching 561 this morning. My goodness. Shiba Inu coin literally no volume whatsoever on Shiba Inu coin. GameStop sitting at 2302, up 1.72%. Even Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, showing very low volume today. Bitcoin sitting at 808, not three zeros. $17,008.02, down 0.5% of the day. The Nasdaq, luckily, is up today, sitting 0.30% higher. Bureau Therapeutics, 16.71 cents. My gosh, dude, 16 cents on an actual company. AMC sitting at $5.91 right now. Ethereum, Shiba, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin all down today. Dogecoin losing pretty heavy, man. 5% loss on Dogecoin. Sundial sitting at $2.55. Mullen Auto 19 cents. CEI 8.5 cents. My gosh. The SPY sitting at $3.95. BBIG 53.8 cents. Highcroft Mining 52 cents. Netflix sitting at $3.10. Terra Luna Classic 16.8 after having a nice little rally this morning. Coming back a little bit, sitting at 16.8. QQQ 282. And Ape sitting at 87.5 cents, up 13% of the day, bouncing off 77 cents, jumping all the way up to 87 cents. Not a bad gain. Almost 20% if you go the low to the high there. Nice gain on the day, 13.80 cents. 13.80%, not cents. My goodness, can't even talk. 13.80% higher on the day. And we will watch crypto down here in the bottom left to see what goes on there with Bitcoin. Patrick! Great video earlier, as always, Patrick, man. Thank you very much, not only for the positive feedback, but the authorized hydration, Pat, man. Delicious, Pat. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration and, of course, the positive feedback. Always appreciated. I need to put a new sticker on the back of my phone here, man. It is getting torn up. That is a fact. You got to do that. So, Matthew says, CPI, yeah, that's the one. Well, the money makers can't make money unless they buy low and sell high. Well, I mean, they make money when it goes up or down due to shorts and whatnot, but still. Yes, Sarah does that 50 Shades of Kuroy. What's going on, Sarah? Good evening, Clay and everybody. Good evening to you, Sarah. Hey, bro, fan, what's going on? Gorilla Invictus, how you doing, man? Hello, everyone. A few minutes late, but I'm here. Nice, DD214. Clay, bro, I'm going to send you a tracking number so you can confirm if it's for my shirt or not. Because it's coming from Ohio, and I haven't ordered anything. That would be coming from Ohio. Well, you can send me the tracking number if you want, but I did send a shirt to you on Saturday. So I'd imagine it is yes. Alright, I know where the receipt's at if you want to send me the tracking number. Just to double check. Cool, Dark Bro, cool. Well, I mean, you could probably be rest assured that it is your shirt coming. I don't know who all got emails or notifications that you got a shirt coming, but I think I sent 11 out. I think I sent 11 shirts out on Saturday. So if you've got a diamond next to your name, and you've been a member for a year, or you're Dark Bro, or Pika, because technically Pika got one coming too, and she doesn't have a diamond next to her name. Please let me know that you've got that diamond, or say something, and then I'll look, because I'm pretty sure I remember everybody that I sent one to on Saturday. So double check if you want. Long-term retirement portfolio options have now earned over $100 since last Monday across all accounts. Cover calls MPW at $13.50, AMC $6.50, $7, and $7.50. Currently, no cash secure puts open. It's fine by me, man. You don't need to have cash secure puts open all the time and covered calls and all that nonsense. $100, dude. If you're making $100 a week, just selling options and options income, you're killing it, Frank. killing it, dude. Hola, Sarah. Have you seen a gray? Or you've been gray for a year? Yes, if you've been gray for a year, Sarah, good. Good morning, everyone. Missed you all. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. Here's the Discord. Pika! Pika, you have no idea how much we missed you. Pika, when's the last time you've been in here, Pika? You got, I don't know if you just heard or not, but you got a surprise coming, Pika. You got a surprise coming. Everybody's got Christmas presents on the way. It's Christmas time for the bros. It is Christmas time for the bros. 3214, what's going on? I have a diamond. Did you send my address? I did send my address. Claire, did you get it? Yeah, DD214. I'm pretty sure. I don't even know. I don't think your name is anywhere in the messages. So yours is just addressed to DD. Hopefully that's fine, man. But yes, I did send one to DD there. What's up, Clay? And AMC Trapper in the house, baby! What's going on, Trapper? Trapper does have a Christmas present on the way as well. It's been a while. I'm so excited, Clay. Pika Pika. Me too, Pika. More than you actually know. JB! Yes, man. For Queen Pika, we've got ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas! Ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas! Thank you very much, JB. For the King Santa Claus, Queen Pika Claus. I like it. Dark Sarah. Oh, what's going on? Heck yeah. Whoop! Oh yeah, AMC Trapper. The fun thing is too. So all of these shirts are. I got a bunch of different ones. Did I show you what I made for my brother? I don't think my brother. I don't know if I showed you guys the hoodie that I made for my brother. Let me show you the hoodie that I made for my brother. I'll show you real quick. And yeah, I don't know if my dad's watching or not. Can't show any surprises there. I'll show you anyway, man. I'll show you. You guys give me 2 seconds right here. Oh, and then yeah, Mom too. Mom's probably not watching right now. Mom doesn't watch, but she still gets a Christmas present. Check this one out. All right. This bad boy's for Mom right here. You like that? Ooh, look at that. Girls like glitter, right? Pretty sure girls like glitter. That's Mom right there. I'm pretty sure girls like, I don't know. Do girls like glitter? Who the heck knows? And then this one. Oh, crap. Hold on. Be able to hold this here. And then this one. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. No, I'm actually kind of jealous of this one. I might get one this color. I might actually go get one of these for myself. I think I might actually have to go get one of those for myself. Not really jealous of Mom's, but I am jealous of my brother's. So I think I'm gonna have to go get one for myself. They didn't have my size when I got that one, so I wasn't able to get it. But I think I'm going to have to get one of those for myself because I really liked his. Dark Bro! 5 months, baby. I love it, Dark Bro. This one's for Queen Pika. We have missed you. We are glad to have you back home with us where you belong. And this is for Clay Bro. What do we got here? King Batman. Is that what it is? I don't even know what it is, man. The alerts of King Batman. Yes, thank you very much, Dark Bro. Loving it, dude. Yes, Frank, you got a shirt on the way, man. Shirts. Here's what I was saying. I got all those different shirts, right? And I got a ton more. So I don't know how many were here. I don't know how many I did this weekend. I don't know how many I did this weekend, right? But I got all of these done as well. And you just don't know, man. You just don't know. You honestly have no idea what you're getting. So this one is actually a pretty cool one here. Look at that. As a purple, bro. That's pretty sweet. On the black there, I like that. There's a ton of different colors. So you guys have no idea which ones you're getting. I actually have no idea which ones you're getting. Obviously the red and black there. Another red and black. Just a classic black and white right there. So, double surprise. You guys are going to be getting a shirt, but you have no idea what color scheme it is. or what color sticker you're getting. And it's a double surprise because I have no idea what color you're getting either. I just put them in bags and then put the size on it and send it out. So, good deal on that one. She'll love it, Clay. Boom! Girls like glitter. Oh, yes. I like it. Hopefully she does. And I might steal my brother's. Yeah, there's no way it would fit. I see my brothers. Bought some more LUNC, Crow, and Tonic. Looking to accumulate a bit more until I hold off. I like it, Pat. I like it. This is the time of accumulation, man. These bear markets are when you can really make a difference for the bull markets, and that's exactly what you got to be doing. Pudgy. Yes, Pudgy, I have no idea, but I can guarantee... Pudgy, listen, I can guarantee you have a white sticker because I already had everything bagged up, and I gave you a... what was it, large shirt, but then I double bagged it and I put in a white sticker in the second bag there. So yes, you do have a white sticker for sure. You may get 2 white stickers, you may get a pink sticker and a white sticker. I have no idea what stickers in the original bag, but I double bagged it for you, man. Double bagged it for you and gave you a white sticker. Thanks, guys. You're welcome, Pika. Heck yes. Ape needs to get below 20 cents so I can pick up a few hundred shares and add the lottery stock status. Not Frank. I'm not going to lie, dude. Ape might actually go down below 20 cents a share. Jumping back up today, 87, 88 cents right now, so it is a little bit higher. But Ape, man, and everything else is getting hit so hard, guys. My gosh. Bro, I don't care if my shirt's hot pink. It's not hot pink. I can guarantee it's not hot pink. But I do not know, actually, if it is that, like, the dark bluish gray one or if it is a red one. Because I went and bought a bunch more shirts, like I said. So hopefully, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I bought a lot of larges when I went the last time, far exceeding the extra larges. And I bought a decent amount of mediums too. So we're going to have to figure out how to give those other shirts away. We could do that anytime, really. But, yeah, we're going to have to figure out how to give those other shirts away. Because got a lot of larges and I think mediums and some extra larges too. Start my New Year's resolution now. Eating tacos Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but not Fridays. That's steak and taters night. Nice. Talk to me, Aki. I like it. Just glad to get the white stick. Pudgy, if you only wanted a white sticker, man, I would have sent you just a white sticker, but you got a shirt as well. So wear it every single day. DD214! Yes, man. DD214. Thank you very much, DD214. Captain Fat, man, what's going on? We got coin Stephanie to the moon. 20 banana leaves for 1 coin. I have no idea what 20 banana leaves for 1 coin means, but let's make it happen, dude. Yes, we got ticker symbol Stephanie out there. Stephanie, bro, are you in here right now? Are you listening? Because I'm pretty sure that Captain Fat wants to trade 20 banana leaves for 1 Stephanie coin. Hey, bro, what's getting hit today? What's getting hit today? Like, what's getting hit hard, down in price today? Is that what you're talking about? If that's what you're talking about, we can look at some losers here in a second. Dark Bro, I did ask Clay not to give me a pink shirt specifically. He said, I'm grateful for whatever, but try not to have a pink shirt. Yeah, Chris, I actually don't know what size... Oh, Chris, I'm pretty sure with the mediums that I had... you probably got a one of those dark blue ones as well, like the dark bluish gray. It's like a heather, dark blue gray type deal. But I have no idea what color bro you got. So there were yellow bros and there were white bros on those, I think. The yellow bros were actually pretty cool, man. The yellow bros were pretty sweet. Did Ape just create a double top? Let's check that out. D's. Let's see here. Bro, we could either do Rumble giveaways or we could do like you did with the stickers. Yes, we could do it that way too. I don't know if everybody is in the Discord. You don't necessarily like to win the rest of these, man. You don't have to have a green name. I would like to preference green names, but no, I don't care if you got a green name. I don't care if you're in here every single day or not. I just want to be able to give some shirts away and have some fun with people for Christmas here. Let's see, Ape. Potentially double top. Okay, so it did potentially double top intraday if you were looking at, this area right in here, and you're looking for an intraday trade, okay? Boom. Technically, it wicked up here and tested it. Boom. And it's curling over. So if you're looking at that, a breakdown of this area right here at 86 cents would actually be a nice curl over to potentially take some profit, buy some puts. Can you buy puts on it? Short it, whatever you wanted to do here. But you could potentially see this fallout if it's not able to break through this 89 level of resistance that it's got. As far as a daily, I don't think you'd be talking about a daily graph double top there. I think you're more or less talking about an intraday, boom, boom, double, and then potentially reversing. So this is support down in this area, intraday, not very strong support, but support nonetheless. So a breakdown further from this 86, 87 cents level would be a good indicator that it could be curling back over and falling. Nonetheless, man, it is sitting right here at this 89 cent level of resistance, and after a 14% rally, may have exhausted itself on the day and could be curling back over if it's unable to sustain this level. So definitely keep an eye on it. D's, absolutely, it could be hitting a double top and turning, but, nothing's guaranteed. So just because it is potentially double top in there, it doesn't guarantee that it turns back over. Heck yeah, clack and rock blues. Boom, baby. Well, you should be good then. It's either blue and white or blue and yellow, I would imagine, Chris. Happy to see you in here, Pika. Heck yeah, my shirt is going to be here tomorrow. Dude, how is your shirt going to be there tomorrow? That is fast, man. You literally live on the other side of the country, man. How's it going to be that? Dude, they must be... Post office must be rocking it right now. If it's literally going to be there tomorrow already. Because it went out Saturday morning. I don't... if anybody in here works for the post office, do they run stuff on Sunday? They just don't deliver? I can technically imagine it's going to be there tomorrow if they run stuff on Sunday right now. But I don't know how it'll be there tomorrow if they're not running on Sunday. That seems quick to me. 2/3 of the long-term retirement portfolio is 2/3 of the retirement portfolio is green, as is the portfolio on the day so far. Nice, Frank. Very good, man. Knife. What's going on, KBK Peak? What's up, Brandon? How you doing, Pika Pika? Mellow Yellow. Oh yes. What do you think Shiba Inu is going to do? So Melissa Wingard, I honestly think that Shiba Inu coin with the low volume that we've been seeing over the last really, I'd say a couple weeks to months now, these just little ticks on the chart indicate that Shiba Inu coin is going to be pretty stagnant and simply following the overall cryptocurrency market. There's not enough individual excitement and volume to catalyze it in either direction away from the market. So I think it's going to follow Bitcoin. I think it's going to follow Ethereum until a potential bull market returns. Or, maybe Shibarium comes out and really sways the community to buy in or sell off. What is your Bitcoin prospect this week? Following the date to next week, Bitcoin 19,000 or not? Personally, not. But we'll take a look at that in 2 seconds after I say, Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Pudgy, anti-Porch Pirate sticker replacement fund. Perfect. Dude, we better not. Oh my gosh, I hate Porch Pirates. So please, nobody get Porch Pirated, okay? If you see that your shirt has arrived, please. Wow, dude, they'll be able to put it in your mailbox, I think. Unless you guys got a tiny mailbox. Just go get it. Don't leave it sit out there all day long. I mean, technically, if they do it, I will send you another one. Don't lie to me, because lying is just as bad as thieving. Don't lie to me and tell me that it got stolen just so you can have two shirts. But if it does, if you get some idiot Porch Pirate out there that wants to rock a bro shirt, then you will also get the rock a bro shirt as well. So don't get too upset if they steal one. I'll send you another one. Just don't make me send you two if you don't get it stolen from me. Hey bro, I'm happy to get it up. But I've been trying to get a sticker for a year now. Boom, baby Pudgy, you got at least 2 stickers, man. I like it. Pika Pika. 10 months, baby. Pika. Let's make everybody else in here jealous right now. Pika, it's obvious that you didn't even have to have a membership for a year. Your package is on the way, And sorry, boys. Sorry to all of the boys out there, all of the bros. Pika's is better than yours. It just is. I mean, it just is. You guys can get jealous if you want. Pika, I don't know if you've seen yours. Everybody else has seen what you're getting. And look, listen, they can be jealous if they want. I don't care if they are. Yours is better. And they know it. So let them be jealous, Pika. You don't have to wait a year, and you get the better deal out of it. Woohoo, Pika! Oh yes, dark something. Ain't nobody porch pirate in my shirt on. I'm down. Rip it. Good, dark bro. But if they did, man, I will gladly send you guys another one. I hate those guys more than anything, so I will definitely make it right. If anybody jacks your shirt, don't worry about it. If they deliver it while you're at work or whatever, and you can't get it until you get home, then you're good to go. I don't know. I like Stephanie Bro. Stephanie Bro does have a good one too. Yeah, Stephanie Bro does have a good hoodie there as well. Let's see. No, I haven't seen it. I didn't even know about it. I'm so excited. Pika Pika. Oh yes, we all know what Pika's getting. We do know what Pika's getting. Dudes, welcome back, Pika. We've got that authorized hydration. Pat, man. Dude, it hits different when it's authorized. I'm telling you right now, it hits different when it's authorized. Pat, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it. Play bro, no problem with you sending Pika the better shirt. I would do the same. Nice, man. I'm glad you don't have a problem with it because I was doing it anyway. Oh, sorry to ask. All right, so let's see Bitcoin, man. Let's see where Bitcoin's going. Supposed to say play bro, not play bro. No, the hilarious thing is, man. I don't want to say. People do call me Play Bro. I got some kid that doesn't know my name is Clay. He calls me Play. I don't really want to talk about who or anything because I don't know if parents like me talking about their kids. You know what I mean? So I got some kid that calls me Play Bro, man. I love it. You're fun, right? You're fun when these kids call you Play instead of Clay because you're just willing to play. So yes, they do call me Play Bro as well, man. Bitcoin is what we were looking at. Bitcoin on the daily. So let me tell you this, man. Bitcoin, this is for PS5. Bitcoin, testing this upper level of resistance here. You can see that this $17,000 area is a very strong, boom, tested it 2 days in a row. Couldn't break it here. This is like 16.9. And then it's been trending on the upper end of this relatively tight channel between 17,000 and 16,000. So this is a tight channel here. But nonetheless, if it does not break, which currently it doesn't look like it's going to break, this 17,000 area, I say we retest 16,000 or potentially even 15.5. If it does break 17 and gets a follow through, gets some sort of a confirmation, then I do believe we could absolutely retest 18.5 to 19,000. But based on this graph right here, after seeing the resistance over the last basically, 10 days, and a little bit of a curl right here, I would say that if you have to predict, this looks like it is not going to break. This looks like it's going to curl back down before we're able to potentially shoot back up. So looking at that right there, man, this looks like it might not break on this attempt, and we could retest 16. If for some reason we do get some good news out there or something that makes us jump to the upside, we're already right here at the resistance level. So it would be a fairly simple break if we do get some fundamental news to drive it higher. And then, yes, if we break this area, man, the 17 range, I do think we retest that 18.5 to 19,000 on Bitcoin. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm calling a no-go on this attempt, but we could have some news that breaks it out to the upside and does move it higher. And dude, just because I don't think it's gonna break on this attempt, let me tell you something. I can absolutely be wrong on that. Please do not take what I say as guaranteed to happen. That's just what I'm looking at, that it feels like other traders are looking at, right? That attempt to 17 and a fall off back down. Clayboy and play. Yeah, well, it goes either way, man. That's Nick F. JB, I don't know whose kid it is, dude. I don't know whose people like me talking about their kids on the internet and stuff like that. So I don't know whose kid it is, JB. Come on up. Play girl, play bro edition. Something, yes. I have something for you too, Clay, but you're for sure going to get it late, possibly in 2023. Pika! Yes, I think that's good, right? Pika, thank you very much for anything that you have for me. Appreciate it. I don't care if I gotta wait the rest of my life to get it, Pika. Sounds amazing. Bros, Clay, no, man. Kids, call me Play Bro. Let's see, or just Play instead of Clay. Does she bring the boys to the yard? Well, no, but my milkshake does. Mobro! Pika, 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 pika. We got Mobro in here. Moji is in here, man. What's going on, Moji? What up, J-Bones? BTC is going to keep stair-stepping down. Most likely will, man. CVNA is the next GameStop. Carvana. I don't know if Carvana is the next GameStop run. I actually don't know. I don't know the short interest on Carvana. I'll tell you this, though, dude. Please just be skeptical of any short squeeze happening. CVNA, if you want to check out the graph right here. Look, the graph looks terrible, okay? The graph looks absolutely horrific. I do not know what the short interest is, but I do know this. If you guys haven't seen what's going on with MMTLP, the Meta Preferred shares, go watch that video I did last night. Nobody, literally nobody watched that. It had like 1,100 views this morning. Watch that video from last night if you want a little bit of a better summary. But Meta Materials was supposed to be trading, I believe, through today. So it was supposed to trade through the 12th. And after this, it was going to go private. Well, all of the short shares were going to be forced to close. Same as Torchlight, right? Meta Materials, I believe, is the new Torchlight or something. And they're going private today. And it was supposed to be a very volatile day. Shorts covering, retail covering, closing out, making their decisions on their final trading day. FINRA stepped in and halted trading on Friday, literally locking in all of the retail investors and just letting all of the shorts cover. No price action, didn't do anything, and massively screwed retail investors. So they did that, dude, and you know they did that to make sure that their hedge fund buddies were able to easily, I was trying to think of a better word, just easily cover all of their short shares and not have to worry about a short squeeze. So I'm very skeptical of a retail short squeeze. If one hedge fund is trying to squeeze another hedge fund, okay. The best we may see, man, after seeing some crime like that take place, the best we may see is a retail run-up. A little bit of FOMO action, retail frenzy, people buying, and then potentially bag holding. I don't know if they're going to make any hedge funds ever cover any shorts that they've got. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, "Click! I've had this innate superpower that allows me to buy low and sell lower. Hopefully, the bull market will be my kryptonite." Yes, Patrick. Let me confirm with you that I also have that superpower. It is crazy, man. It's almost like I can buy low, and then I don't even, even sell even lower. It's crazy, man. And then I can guarantee you, if I started to play to the downside, if I started to short or buy a bunch of puts, I guarantee you it would be the start of the bull market, man. It would guaranteed to be the start of the bull market if I went in there and just started to massively short or play things to the downside. So, Pat, your superpower is just crazy because it's my superpower as well. You tell me the giant car vending machine is going under? It just might be, JB. It just might be. Let's see. I watched it. Short interest got reset or something. Isn't it nuts, Chris? To me, dude, to me, it's worse. It's worse than a normal thief just coming in because these are supposed to be the guys that protect you, not the guys that protect the hedge funds. And they're absolutely protecting the current financial system that is so out of whack, dude. Because if it fails, they fail. And if we win, they fail. So they absolutely, man, they're going to try everything they can to keep us down. And coming after I watched The Matrix last night, too. So I got a little bit of a Matrix in me this morning. Be surprised if they don't JB something. Pika! Pika, thank you very... You're amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Pika, I gotta ask. Pika, I really want to make sure. Pika, are you at work right now? Pika, are you at work right now? Pika, is Pika at work right now? Don't tell her boss if she's at work right now. But is Pikachu at work? We gotta know if Pika's at work. We can't tell on her if she is. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Shh, guys, be quiet. We can't let anybody know what's happening right now. Pika, thank you very much. We're gonna have to come up with a code name. A code name. I don't know if they know that she's Pika, but we're gonna have to come up with a code name because we can't let them know that Pika's in here. I'm with you, Pat. Clay said to take the $1 profit just to prove you can, but I'm just losing money. Chris, I'm telling you, it's literally every day, dude, but we are in a massive bear market right now. It is, and I gotta remind myself of that crap all the time too, Chris, because it messes with your mind, man. Some local scum have some static friction with me, so I'm gonna do what I do best. Pudge, I don't know what it is, but do it, man. Let's see. Where we at? Speaking of work, no play. Yeah, no work, no play. Holy cow, Moji made it too. Get everybody in here right now. I think you guys must have all got notifications from the post office, and then you jump in here today. I get whatever money you put in. Act like you will never see it again. But how do you get past the feeling like you're just throwing money away? Just focus on the future bull market. Chris, I'll answer that in 2 seconds, man. After I get this little fruit basket done, because I gotta think the same way, man. I gotta think the same way. Moji, man, thank you very much for the banana. Here's a little lick and stick action. You take the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Moji, how was your 14-hour shift? And how was that banana? Deez, man, thank you very much for the... Jeez, dude, thank you very much. Very, very, very fuzzy peach, man. I do have to shave this peach. That's guaranteed. Pika slipped out her ankle. Pika may have slipped out of her ankle bracelet. I don't know if she did or not, but she's being watched, guys. Be careful. So, Chris, if you're talking, here's two things that you really have to think about in terms of not throwing money away. What's your goal? Okay, what's your goal? Is your goal to kind of generate yourself some income and actually see that money go back into your bank account? Or is your goal to grow an account, for the next 30 years or 40 years, whatever it is? So you can be one of these old rich dudes that has $2, $3, $4 million portfolio, and you never have to worry about Social Security or any of these other things that could potentially supplement your income because you're sitting on massive, massive stacks of cash that you generated over the long term. If you never really intend on pulling that money out, you do have to have this mentality, like whatever you put in, you are never going to see again. And that's in terms of essentially hitting your bank account, right? The same way that the money you work for hits your bank account. And that's why you have to think of it in a couple different ways here. You can't just put your entire paycheck into your brokerage account or your investment account. You can't just put the entire lot in there because, of course, you need money to absolutely live off of. So, number one, when you start to view the account as just numbers instead of money, it's almost going to change your perception of what's going on. And number two, you have to have that long-term focus on what's happening right now doesn't really affect the long term. And that's the hard part to get over. Some of the better ways that you could do it, that really might help you get through it, don't look at it, right? That's one guaranteed way to help you get through it. But, like my 401k that I've got, dude, I paid into that and paid into that and paid into that. And I have no idea what my 401k is doing right now. I really don't. It's managed by somebody else. It's out of mind, or out of sight, out of mind. And I'm sure it's getting hit in this market, man. I'm sure it is. But I don't worry about it. I don't stress about it. I don't even think about it, man. My brother, on the other hand, at least he does, or at least he tells us, and I don't know if he does every day, but says he looks at his 401k every single day, right? The same way that we look at these stocks every single day. And I'm telling you, man, that it just adds to the stress. It does add to this idea that you put some money in and it goes down. You put some money in and it goes down. You put some money in and it goes down. And you're essentially throwing it away. But dude, I can tell you, this is me speaking from experience, right? When you're in a bull market, these bull markets in the stock market, crypto bull markets seem to be a little bit faster and wilder than the stock market bull markets. So cryptocurrency bull market may last throughout 2021, like we saw. And you may see 5, 10, 15, 20x gains in a very short period of time in the larger assets and more secure assets. So they happen very fast. The stock market bull market, dude, you can look. If you look at the NASDAQ on a weekly chart here, this is a bull market, dude. And this is from 2000. It goes from 2009. It goes from the 2009 lows, dude. When you put in during a bull market, it is not throwing your money away. It is, okay, it's growing. Conservative assets, you might be hitting 5, 10, maybe 15% a year in these bigger stocks. You literally put it in, and there's more money there. You put it in, and there's more money there. You put it in, and there's more money there. You put it in, and there's more money there. This is literally what happens during a bull market. It just goes up. Now, it sucks, because for the last full stinking darn year, you put money in, and you lose it. You put money in, and you lose it. You put money in, and you lose it. You put money in, oh, you may have made it for a week, and you lose it. You put money in, and you lose it. It does honestly seem like that, man. And if that's, like, if you literally got in, basically, for the very first time, any time in 2021, maybe you had seen some gains there, but we've forgotten about all of those with this massive bear market decline that we've been seeing. But this is the kind of stuff that you have to either manually focus on or convince yourself that it is real. And I can tell you it is real. You put money in, and it grows, and it grows, and it grows, and it grows, and it grows. This is a pullback, but it grows. This is a pullback, and in the grand scheme of things, man, it's going to grow. It's going to grow. It's gonna grow. Dude, it is this. It's this like mental. It could be toxic, right? To only focus on this part, and it is all mental, dude. But if you only focus on this part right here, it could absolutely be toxic. That you are throwing money away. 10 years from now, you'll be like, dude, man, I am so glad. I'm so glad that I kept throwing my money away, because my money just continued to grow. So it is all mental, Chris. It is all mental to get through these bear markets and have essentially hope, right? Or faith that it will one day go up. Watching Up in Smoke while in live. Freaking hilarious. Love this movie. I don't know if I've ever seen that one, man. Hey, Clay, long-term thoughts on Solana. Peter. Look, dude. I like Solana, okay? Solana was very heavily correlated with FTX, and the downfall in FTX brought Solana way down in value. I think Solana's clearly got a better chance of surviving than FTX. Well, FTX has no chance of surviving now. But I think that Solana's got a much better chance of surviving. I do think that Solana can absolutely retest some of its all-time highs. Does it break through? Not 100% sure if it will, or not 100% sure of what it will do. But, dude, I can almost guarantee... Nothing can be guaranteed, but I'm very confident that Solana will see higher prices than the $13 that it's currently trading at. Gotcha. I'm eventually wanting to get to the retirement plays, but just wanting to stock up the right stuff to shoot. Yeah, Chris, and that's the thing, man. Some of these retirement plays, when the market does turn and the bull market returns, you're not going to see AT&T double in price. You're not going to see Hershey's another good deal. You're not going to see Hershey double in price. You're not going to see Waste Management double in price. Those are the kind of retirement plays that potentially pay you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6% guaranteed dividend payments every year, year in and year out. And then you might see another 5, 6, 10% capital gains year in and year out. But this bear market, when this bear market turns into a bull market and you've got some of these stocks that were just beaten down, when the retail money starts flowing back in and the confidence starts to flow back in again, these retirement plays, the boring ones, they survive pretty simply, these bear markets, because they're unexciting. They're not the emotional retail money that's going into them and flowing out of them and so on. But when retail investors get excited again, and they start buying Ethereum at $400, maybe Ethereum falls down to $400 and Bitcoin falls down to $9,000. I don't know what the lows are going to be. But when they start flowing back in, dude, it's just buying because they remember that Bitcoin was at 70,000 and now it's trading at 9. They're going to make some sick money. Those are the plays that are going to really kick off the bull market. And I'm not just specifically talking about crypto. Stock market as well, dude. Mullen Auto, if it survives, people are going to be like, Mullen Auto's at 20 cents right now. The stock was at $15. Let's just jump in. You're going to have this mentality that we need to run these little guys up. And there will be a lot of money that flows in. So you will see these little guys and these smaller cap stocks soar. And a good idea, longer term, is to potentially take some of those profits, and then you don't need to make $1 million in those shares. You don't need to make a 10, 20, 30x gain in those shares. Take some of those profits if you want. Hold on to some of it, but start to transition, right? Start to transition into some of those longer term plays that are just tried and true. Bear market, bull market, whatever market you're talking about, position yourself in some of those boring plays that you don't have to worry about. Because I'm telling you right now, dude, stress can literally kill you. You guys know that. Stress is like, you can physically embody stress, man. It can give you an ulcer. It can give you, it can toxify your mind and make you depressed and make you upset. So taking as much stress out as possible is perfect. And if you can do that by getting into some of those longer term plays that just make you money without worry, you're killing it. Happy Monday, fam. Emma D, what's going on? Emma, how you doing? Talk, bro, why not buy 20 Bitcoin? But I'm in at 10. Something I know. I don't know what price we're talking about. I said band together and buy 10 Bitcoins, or 6 trillion, shame, or Shiba, or 200 billion Terra Luna Classic. Yeah, that'd be sick, man. Dude, I would say Bitcoin would be sweet on that one. Peak, hey love, how you been? Peak has hopefully been amazing. Also, just curious, roughly how much would someone make if they had 1,000 into Bitcoin and it goes back to 60,000? Everyone says you can't make anything without at least 1,000. Well, Chris, here's the thing, man. You can make money without 1,000. It all depends on your mentality and your goals, right? So from where we're at right now, let's just say Bitcoin's trading around 15,000. You're going to 4x. You'd have $4,000 if Bitcoin returns to that 60,000 point per coin range, dollar per coin range. So you'd have $4,000, man, because it would roughly 4x in value. If you had $100 in it, yeah, you're going to be sitting on $400. It's almost like, what are you going to be doing with $400? But here's the thing that everybody also overlooks. They all say you need as much money as possible up front and so on. But dude, if you had $1,000 per se, and it does turn into, I think it's going to go above 60,000 in the next bull market, but let's just say you got out in that $60,000 range. If it goes to $60,000 and you make $4,000, well, dude, the next cycle, or if you just reinvest that, all of a sudden that $4,000 would turn into 16. And then we're starting to talk, dude. Because now you might be, because you're young, dude. You might be my age by the time you had another cycle come through and you turned it into 16. Well, then all of a sudden you're 40 years old and you've gone through one more cycle or so, and now you're sitting on a $50,000, $60,000 portfolio. Now I know, dude. Nobody wants to be 40 years old and only have a $50,000 portfolio. Tell me right now, anybody in here 40 would love to have a $50,000 portfolio? Please share some experience with Chris right now and tell him you'd love to have a nice $50,000 portfolio simply because you believed in yourself when you were 26 or however old Chris is. And then, dude, then you start to get in and siphon off, or you've already started and you're moving into those more conservative plays, right? Well, all of a sudden, you're 50 years old. And you're sitting on a $250,000 portfolio that is paying you 8% a year in dividends. And so you're walking away with $20,000 a year in dividends. And then you're sitting on another comfortable 5 to 10% a year capital gains, which is providing you another $30,000 a year in capital gains. So all of a sudden you're sitting on this portfolio that's generating you $50,000, $60,000 a year with no worry at all. I mean, dude, that is solid, right? Everybody thinks that you need some sort of a $5, $10 million portfolio, but it all depends on your goals. And if you want to be able to generate yourself $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a year in dividend and capital gains, dude, that replaces any salary, right? That you don't even have to work for. That's life-changing, man. That's life-changing. To like 20 mad comments, they really didn't like being called out something. D's, did you see those cringe people? Oh my gosh, I woke up to man, I didn't even know. Emma, did you put some video out there? To the hole in the bottom, dilly. What is that, man? Let's get it, dilly. I like it. Is there a hole in the bottom of this cup? I don't know, but we will find out. Pat, man, thank you very much for the authorized hydration. I have no idea who Dilly is, but he sounds like a very nice fella, and I appreciate the Dilly on the authorized hydration. Let's see, now I gotta catch up something. All right, good. Priceless, apparently. I've messed with the bulls, and there shall be horns and all of that. What did you do? You made a video, Emma D, on something? Why is MXC pumping? Alex, I have no idea why MXC is pumping. Let's see what MXC is doing, man. Are we talking about a coin? Might be talking about the coin. I don't think you're talking about this, right? Because that's not up today. Talking about this being up 6% today. 043 up 6% on the day, and over the last month has been doing pretty well, going from 2 cents up to 5 cents. Not a bad gain there. I'm gonna be honest with you, though, dude. I have no idea. I have no idea why MXC is pumping. I don't even know what these guys do. No idea what these guys do, man. But being up 100% over the last couple of weeks here, going from 2.5 cents to 5 cents, back down and up to 4.3 cents right now, is not a bad move. If anybody knows more about the MXC and why they would be up in value, please let us know. But $113, $114 million market cap, not bad at all. I just don't know why, the reason they're moving at the moment. And if anybody does, please let us know. Let us know. Let us know. Let us know. Not let it snow. Let us know. I know it could seem like I was saying, let it snow. But I was saying, let us know. Let's see. I'm so behind. I have to catch up, Emma, on something I know I missed. I'm not really good at reading charts, Clay. But can you check Archon stock for me on the daily? Does it look like a cup and handle? Also, is that a good signal? Archon. Everybody loves their cup and handles. Everybody loves their cup and handles. Okay, so potentially, man, we did come down here. The thing that I like about it, this is a 48 period moving average, and it has bounced nicely off that 48 period moving average. And yes, you are correct, has created some form of a cup right here. Now, if it does handle for a couple days, yes, theoretically, the cup and handle formation is a bullish pattern. If it comes and retests this level of resistance, which is exactly what it's doing right here, okay? This area right in here, this previous high, touched here, touched here. If it trends sideways and creates a little bit of a handle, you've got your cup and handle formation. You still have to break up. It's basically saying that, okay, well, we've attempted, and now we're going to consolidate around this level of resistance, and a breakthrough absolutely could lead to a very nice move higher. Things you need to be aware of in this stock, because it does get beaten down very hard, is that it will have more levels of resistance, like having broken through before. When it broke through, it lasted 1 day, came up to about $1.50, fell back down. When it broke through, lasted about a day, broke up to roughly $1.40, and came back down. If it breaks up this time, why would this time be the time that it goes up to, I don't know, $15 or whatever the high is there? You're going to start to convince yourself, and you're going to see a bunch of people getting excited that this is the time that it breaks up to $15. Why? Why is this the time? And if you can't answer why this is the time, you're most likely to see the exact same thing that it's done in the past. A nice run up, and then potentially that break of resistance leads to a run right back down. So please be careful if you are in this and people are telling you that this is the action. Now, this beautiful bull market action in 2020 was driven for a variety of reasons. We had all the stimulus checks coming out there. We had massive bull market rally happening. We had people just targeting these low cap penny stocks. And of course, everything was rallying at the beginning of 2021, man. And it happened, and it fell back down very quickly. I mean, look at this day right here. Single day right here, going from $17.50, dude, back down to $4. Be careful with stocks like this. If it breaks, don't trick yourself into thinking that this is the guaranteed moment where it goes back up to $17. But yes, you are looking at that pattern correctly there. Hey bro, check out RBIF, 4% this month. I mentioned it last week, and it still looks good. Nice, Anthony emoji. No, but let me find one. Something, Davey. Thank you very much for the super chat, Davey. I have a question, Clay. Took all my crypto off Coinbase and had it put into a Coinbase wallet. Is that considered safe? I have a lot of money between Shiba, Bitcoin, and Santana, or Saitama maybe, or Solana. So, Davey. Yes, it is considered, let me put it this way, okay? Safe, yes, maybe, but there's still risks associated with DeFi. So here's what you're looking at. The risks of holding on a centralized exchange right now, like Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, even the ones that I mentioned, they still have their risks. These centralized exchanges view deposits one way, as loans. If you are depositing your cryptocurrency on those platforms, you are loaning your cryptocurrency to those platforms. They recognize it on their balance sheets as an asset, and they also recognize it on their balance sheet as debt. They owe you that cryptocurrency back. But because you lent it to them, they are able to do whatever they want with it. They can lend it out themselves. They can invest it. They can do whatever they want with it. If they lose it, you're screwed, not them. Because they consider it an uncollateralized loan, meaning that you basically have no recourse and no claim to it if they don't want to give it back. That's the major risk of holding on a centralized exchange. Now, when you hold it on a DeFi wallet, like Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, Crypto.com wallet, KuCoin's got a wallet, MetaMask, and so on, you are the owner, okay? You own all of the cryptocurrency that you have there. You are not lending it out to them. They don't have access to it, and they aren't going to be able to loan it out, invest it, or any of that stuff. It is yours. It is literally in your account at that point. It is not being lent out. Now, of course, that has risks of its own, man. If you lose your password, if you lose your seed phrase, you're screwed. There's nothing that you can do at that point. It is essentially burnt. You're never going to have access to those coins again. If you accidentally, if you attach your wallet, so if you log into your wallet and attach your wallet to a website, and that website turns out to be a bad website, that's why I say accidentally. You may not know that it's a bad website. If you attach your wallet, somebody can drain that wallet in a second. There's almost nothing you can do about that. It's essentially like handing somebody your wallet and they just take off. Another concern that I kind of have right now that could be dealt with in the future, that's not necessarily an end-all be-all, but what if the government comes out and says, well, you know what? We literally do not have any control over DeFi. And because we do not have any control over DeFi, we cannot confirm or deny these transactions, and we cannot properly tax on these transactions without trusting you, then we are just going to prohibit DeFi. If they do, you may lose access to your Coinbase wallet in that sort of a government-regulated world where they decide to ban DeFi and only allow the centralized KYC'd exchanges to trade and hold cryptocurrency. Now, that being said, your coins are still live on the blockchain. You still have access to your blockchain holdings with your seed phrase and stuff like that. I mean, you could probably VPN into another country or take a vacation to another country if you had enough in there that it's worth doing that, and have access to your coins on the blockchain anywhere in the world that is not blocked by government regulation. So, yeah, dude, are they safe? They're safe from being lent out at that point. There's still risks associated with, error and things like that to take place. Excellent question, though, Davey. Excellent question. Hopefully that answered it, man. Got Hash Rosen Vapes, the really good THC. Good. Also, it's legal. Good. Last week on D-Day, I freaking ripped, but I've been zoned out for like 5 minutes. You back with us, Chris? You back with us now, man? I gotta know. Oh, gosh, dude. Chris, man, just don't be doing anything crazy in your new bro shirt when it gets there. Chris should actually have his bro shirt probably first, I would say. Chris's bro shirt should arrive today. I mean, if we're being honest with each other, Chris doesn't live like that far away, man. Indiana and Ohio are right next to each other. Chris or Pika, because Pika's was sent priority and Chris's was sent first class. I would imagine Pika stands a chance of getting hers today as well, but I would say Pika and Chris stand a chance at getting theirs today. Maybe somebody else too, but I'd say you two guys are first on the list. If not, I mean, dude, if Dark Bro's getting his tomorrow, he lives across the country, and then, Pudgy and Moji, you guys are pretty far away too. If your guys is coming tomorrow, I would imagine tomorrow or Wednesday, but who knows? Post office is busy. Thank you so much, Clay. Much appreciated. T, absolutely, man. Thoughts on CPI data this week? No ignore, absolutely. Keith. So I think the consumer price index, let's see what the expectations are, because I do think that CPI is most likely going to continue its very, very slight decline. So let's see where CPI is expected this week. Come on, click an ad, apply. All right, let's see what we got. CPI this week, where are we at? Consumer Price Index coming in tomorrow. They're expecting a drop from 7.7 to 7.3%. This is good news for the market if it does come in at 7.3%. I don't think that's crazy expectations, because remember, we are starting to compare to some already very high numbers in December of 2021. So 7.3% rise, it seems reasonable to me. Obviously, if it comes in higher, if it comes in at 7.4 above, that could be bad for the market. If it comes in and we are not declining, if it comes in above 7.7%, please expect the market to have a very heavy sell-off tomorrow. If it comes in anywhere below 7.3, I would be surprised that we see that heavy of a decline. But that's going to be very good news for the market if it does. So I think 7.3 is reasonable. Personally, I believe it'll come in between 7.7 and 7.3, so 7.4 up to 7.7. But, dude, if it comes in above 7.7, expect a very large red line on cryptocurrency charts and on the overall indices and individual stocks to happen at that point. But decent expectations by the analysts there. Mine arrives tomorrow. Nah, dude, JB, yeah, if yours is arriving tomorrow, you're still a little bit further away than Indiana would be. So if yours is getting there tomorrow, everybody should be having theirs tomorrow. Post office must be doing some work if it's coming tomorrow. I'm good getting my second win, number 1, to get this shirt because I am number 1. Nice, Chris. Yeah, I don't know. So Pika and Chris could potentially get it today. If not, it seems like everybody's going to be getting their shirts tomorrow. 1 o'clock. Have a great lunch. My goodness. How is it 1 o'clock already? Goodness gracious. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back a little bit later. Appreciate every single one of you guys, man. Keeping the chats going. Having a great day today. And we will start these other shirt giveaways here pretty soon. So I don't know if we're going to start in the afternoon live stream today, but basically the 12 days of Christmas are starting today. So it would make sense to start some giveaways today and have some fun there. So please show up in the afternoon live stream. Might do the giveaway there. Might do it in some of the videos as well. So we'll have some fun with that. Chris, man, shout out to you. Emma D, Moji, King Mamba, Emma D, JB, Moji, Peak Power, AMC Trapper saying peace out of the Diamond Handed Apes, and, well, nobody else. Matthew, see you later. Pika, Scott, later, everyone. See you later, Scott. Anthony, D's, Giovanni, Pika, Nick F, Stephanie, bro, anybody else in here you already know. J Bones, man, Gorilla Invictus, peace out to you. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Mellow Yellow. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh my goodness, that's a fuzzy peach. Thank you, Pika. Thank you very much, Pika. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being you, Pika. Absolutely amazing. My goodness, Pika. I need to know if you get it today. I need to know if you get it tomorrow. I want to know when you get this. I'm excited. I hope you're excited because I'm excited. Pika D's, Mochi, King Mama, Melly Yellow, Gorilla Invictus, King Mama, Pika D's, all of you guys. I'm excited about Pika getting her stuff today. Or tomorrow. I'm going to have to look at the tracking number. I don't know when it is. But all of you guys, I will definitely see you this afternoon. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.